Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm AllisonAlanna. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button on your way in, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always tuning in. In today's video, today is episode 12, and we are at Sephora. So I'm actually about to go in here and get myself a new face wash. I just pulled up, and I thought I would start the vlog off in the car. Hopefully when I go in here though, it's not no music playing, because that's always like an issue when I go inside of stores. There's always some music playing, forcing me to have to do a voiceover. So I'm hoping that this will not be one of those moments where music is playing and I gotta do a voiceover. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead now, get that, and I'll see y'all in the store. All right, so here we are in Sephora, and I'm over in the Tatcha section. Tatcha stuff I've heard like really good things about, but Tatcha is for the top tier girl, okay? The top tier, top tier girl. All right, so now I'm over here looking at some makeup. Over here they had some Tarte palettes for I think it was $54. Yeah, $54. Very good price, because I think you get 8 in each palette. So that was a really good price. They got some of what they call Juicy Glow. I'm guessing that's their concealer or either some of the foundation. Now we're over here in the Dior section. I wanted some of this Dior lip oil. They have it in the berry. They got that one looks like it would show up really not with a lot of pigment, but kind of some good pigment. They got it in pink. They also had it in the clear, their universal clear, and also a coral color. Which one would you get if you was getting one? I feel like they might all come out clear, but they give like a really nice oil, like a high shine to your lips. It's really pretty. I see a lot of the girls on Instagram with those, so I have a pretty good idea how it look. Here I'm just walking through with some other makeup aisles. They had a bunch of different things over here. Some of the brands, what's that, Makeup Mario? I don't know if I really ever heard of him. I haven't really heard of a lot of makeup, really. The Huda Beauty. Huda Beauty, I always hear a lot about when I watch like the makeup channels or the girls that are doing their makeup online. I'll see them using that. This, I almost thought it was a lip gloss, but it was actually like a cheek stain stick. So like for your blush, $25 for those, and some different types of powders and just a whole lot of stuff. I don't really know about the brands, but I always do hear good things about Huda Beauty. So this was a palette that I just happened to see sitting over there randomly open. The golds were giving, the purples, very nice colors for the girls who, you know, wear that on a regular. Then we move over here. These I really like. These Urban Decay glosses. Well, they were actually liquid lipsticks, but they didn't they didn't dry on my skin. So I don't know, they kind of gave like a wet type of lipstick. Like to me it was like a lipstick and a lip gloss in one. And I don't know if I just felt that way because it didn't dry on my skin, I didn't allow it to dry, or what, but they came out really good. They seem like really nice quality, so I definitely want to go back and get one of those. So now we're over here in the Too Faced section, just looking at some different glosses, again some blushes, concealers, highlights, things like that. We're over here. If you use the Too Faced Beauty, let me know what you think of that, because as I always say in these videos, I know very little about makeup, but I kind of want to start wearing it for an occasion, maybe, you know, for like photo shoots, when I do for my when I do pictures for Paired, and like I said, for my birthday and things like that. So over here we in the Tower 28 section. I do want to try one of those colors, but I'm gonna have to come back and get one. And over here I was trying out the Moroccan Oil brand, because they actually had body products in the Moroccan oil. I use these in my hair, And they actually had some body products over here. They definitely smell like argan oil. And they had a body butter and a body souffle. Both of them kind of had like the same fragrance. I think I don't know if I tried both, but I did try one. And the argan oil kind of gives it like a masculine smell almost. So if you like that type of fragrance, you probably would really like the Moroccan oil body products. All right, so we are back in the car. Music was on, so voiceover was needed. I got my free little birthday gift. You know how Sephora be giving you your gift when you come for your birthday or during your birthday month. So I was glad they got a good gift this year because I actually used this product on a regular. Was using it on a regular, but I ran out. So I got a small little bottle of it, plus a bonus size bottle of their toner. Now I haven't used toner in a long time, so this is good. Keep your pores nice and tight and refined. And then I got my cleanser for my face. It comes with this pump right here, and it also comes in a glass bottle. So it's the kale, green tea, spinach, vitamins cleanser. And I also do want to try the moisturizer. They have one for sensitive skin that I'm okay with trying, because when it comes to creams, I'm a little funny about my creams because my skin is so sensitive. So I try to use the most natural things, but since that's for sensitive skin, I don't mind trying it. And then they have their VIB sale that is starting on the 27th and ending on November 6th. So I got some coupons for that, for the savings event. So when it comes to getting my birthday makeup and stuff like that, at least I know it'll be a little sale going on. So if I did kind of look around, as y'all saw, at some things to kind of see what they had. I definitely want something for my brows. I need to get them done first of all, and then like something to make them look like darker and really sleek. You know, I do like that little look. Can I do that every day? I don't think so. But like I said, I do want to enhance my gorgeousness for my birthday, so I'll definitely be giving that a shot. And yeah, that's going to do it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoy episode 12, a quick trip to Sephora. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one. Mwah.